welcome to another isolation workout. Today it's going to be tough. It's going to be a pretty intense workout. We've got 6 exercises. The first round we're going to do 30 on, 30 off. The second round we're going to do 40 on, 20 off. And the last round we're going to do 50 on and 10 off. So we're going to push you to the very end. 6 exercises per set, 30 seconds until we start. The first exercise we're going to do is a climbing squat. So we're going to start on our knees and we're going to climb up and down, okay? We're going to do 2 on each leg and then change sides. Here, we're not coming all the way up. So we're only coming to here the whole time. We've got 10 seconds, 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off, 6 exercises. Let's get it done. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and off we go. 1, 2, and change legs. Keep that moving. And change legs, keep that going. Up and down, up and down. So the first round, it's kind of the warm-up. First round is the warm-up. Second round is gonna get tougher. 9 seconds. Keep going. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Next one, press up, reach ups. So into a press up position, on your knees or in full, we're gonna do a press up, reach up. Press up, reach up. Okay, 30 seconds of those. If you need to go to your knees, go to your knees. The calm before the storm. We've got 7 seconds, so get yourself into position. Ready, steady, off we go. Down and open up. Down, open up. Onto your knees if you need. Keep moving at all times. We've got this. Almost there, almost there. And relax. Okay, jumping lunges into squats. So it's gonna go 1, 2, squat, squat. 1, 2, squat, squat. Get those legs working. This is the easy round. This is just teasing you in. We've got 6 seconds. Are you ready for this? Let's start with some lunges. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Lunge, lunge, squat, squat. Lunge, lunge, squat, squat. Good. Keep those legs moving at all times. Yes, you've got this. Come on now. 5 seconds, guys. Keep that up. Plank reaches. Down into a plank position. And all we're going to do is reach as far forward as we can. Keeping our pelvis tucked underneath, our abs nice and strong, keeping the hips as still as you can. So either on your knees or in a full plank position, we're going in 4, 3, 2, 1. Reach as far forward as you can, keeping those hips still. 10 seconds, guys. Keep that up. Into the last 10 now. Keep those abs squeezed in, sucking that belly button. 3, 2, 1, and relax there. Opposite bicycle crunches. So we have our legs straight here, and we're going to come up, do 2 on one side, 2 the other side, 2 one side, 2 the other side. Let's bring this back. 10 seconds. This round should be easy. Let's go down. 3, 2, 1. Off we go. 1, 2. Change sides. And again. Keep that moving, get as far across and as high as you can into that movement. Feel it through the abs. How long? Ah, that's it, time. And then we're going to finish with mountain climbers. So this is the last exercise of this round. Then we're going to have a quick breather and we're going straight back in to 40 seconds of work with 20-second rest. So mountain climbers, in here, hands under shoulders, feet out, driving those knees in. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Keep those legs moving, try and keep that body nice and still, shoulders nice and strong. 15 seconds to go. 15 seconds, let's go. 10 seconds now. 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax that there.
Activity completed.
Not yet, that is a lie. Let's go back into our next exercises straight away. 20-second rest, and then we're going again. So this time, climbing squats. Start standing up, start on your knees, whoever you want. Knees bent, climbing planks, climbing squats, 2 per leg. So only 20-second rest now. Ready? 3, 2, 1, 2 per leg. 1, 2. But it's 40 seconds of work now, remember. 1, 2. Change sides. Keep that tension on those legs. Don't straighten up. Come on, you've got 15 seconds to go. 10 seconds now. Good, last 3 seconds. And relax there. Press up, reach ups. We've got 20-second recovery. Press up and reach. If you need to halfway round, go into start full, end up on your knees. Are we ready? 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, off we go. Good. Stay really strong through that press up. This round is going to get progressively harder. Keep moving. Up and push. Good job. 10 seconds remaining. Let's keep those press-ups coming in till the end. 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax that there. Good job. Squat lunges. Squat lunges. 2 squats, 2 lunges. 2 squats, 2 lunges. Ready? 4, 3, 2, 1. So squat, squat, lunge, lunge. Squat, squat. If we make it harder, jumping through everything. So we can even go jumping squats. Whatever you feel. Remember, it's 40 seconds now. 7 seconds, guys. Keep that up. Oh, 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 the burn. The burn. Plank reaches now. So onto our knees. We've only got 12 seconds. 5 seconds. Onto those elbows. 3, 2, 1. Off we go, reach, reach. Keep those hips still, stay strong through those abs. Let's keep this going. Looking really good. We've got 15 seconds left. Go to those knees if you need. Cool. It's getting tougher. It's getting tougher now. 8 seconds. 3, 2, 1. And relax there. Tough one. Opposite crunches now. Onto our back. Remember, the last round, 50 seconds working with only 10 seconds off. We've got 5 seconds. So down we go. Into our position, legs straight, up, across, 2 per side. Cross, squeeze. There we go. We've got this. Nice and high with that elbow. Try and get the shoulder across to make it that little bit harder. Work to that buzzer. I can't see how long's left. Let's keep that going. Almost there. Good work. Mountain climbers to finish. And then we have one more round of that circuit. 50 on, 10 seconds off. That is going to be a killer. Right, ready, mountain climbers. In 3, 2, 1, let's go, 40 seconds. Get his knees coming in. Oh, it's warm out here today. Beautiful conditions though. 27 seconds. Up. Stay strong through those shoulder blades. 10 seconds. You got this. Come on. All right, that's over. Last round to go. Let's get into it. No rest. Last round. Let me check it's right. 6 minutes of hell left. We're going to go straight into climbing squats in 10 seconds. Are you ready? Ready for it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 50 seconds of work now. Pace yourself. Change legs. Other leg. Change legs. Keep that body moving. No rest now. 6 exercises left, and then you can relax. Cool. The sweat is coming. Look at this around here. It's everywhere. We have got 20 seconds left. Oh yeah, 15 to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax there. 10 seconds. Press up, reach throughs. Press up, reach ups. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Up. Good deep press ups. No cheating. Onto your knees if you need to. Come on. We've got 5 minutes of work remaining. That is it. 30 seconds on this exercise. This is where we can separate the men from the boys. Let's go. And the women from the gals. Let's go. 10 seconds. Getting tough. Let's go, let's keep moving. 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax. This next one is gonna be a killer. Lunge, lunge, squat, squat. Let's go. Lunge, lunge, squat, squat. Lunge, lunge, squat, squat. Keep this up. You've got 40 seconds to go still. Heart rate's gonna go high. Sweat's gonna get dripping off your nose. It's all good though. You've got 24 seconds. 20 seconds, come on, to the end. The burn in those legs is real. 10 seconds to go. Come on, push the end of this one. 2 more squats. And relax that there. That was tough. Plank reaches in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Reach. I told you this last set was going to be the tough one. Try and keep those shoulders steady. Reaching through. We've got 30 seconds left. Let's go. Stay strong. Work to the end. 2 minutes and 50 seconds until we finish. Let's go. I'm starting to struggle, so should you. Let's go now. Dig. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. 2 more exercises. Onto your back. Bike crunches in 3, in 2, in 1. Let's go. Up, 2 per side. Change sides. Up, and across. You've got a minute and a half left of work, and then the workout is complete. Let's keep that moving. All the way to the end, come on. Last bit now, last bit. You've got this. Make it look easy. Wait for that buzzer. Any second now. Where's that buzzer? There it is. 10 seconds. Mountain climbers. And you are done. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Last 50 seconds. Keep driving those knees in. Keep that body still. 40 seconds to go. 30 seconds and you're done. Come on, stay strong now. Push to the end. Drive those knees in. Come on now. This is where it counts. Let's do it. 20 seconds. Come on now, the shoulders are burning. 10 seconds, here we go. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That is a horrendous noise. Workout complete. That was horrible, but well done for getting it done, and I'll see you on the next workout.